You guys, the eggs hatched. There's little baby birds in this nest. Oh my gosh. I just saw one of their beaks open, but I can't really tell. And I don't want to stay here long because I want the mama bird to come back. But look how little piles of feathers. There's a little mouth. Aww. I wonder if their beak is real yellow so that the mama bird can find it and put the food in for it. Oh, it's hungry. It says mama. All right, I'm gonna go so mama bird can come back. Happy spring. A lot of the kids in the school asked why our sunflower plants have little holes in them. Well, here is the answer. These little finches love to eat the leaves. Isn't that funny? Let's see what happens when we walk up there. Oh, there they go. Here are our sunflowers. Here's the first one that bloomed. Look at all the holes here. The second one is about to bloom. Looks kind of like a monster with teeth, huh? And here's another one, a little behind. Hasn't opened up yet. And here's one that's even younger. Very small little flower bud. But aren't they pretty? All right, miss you guys.